The future is anybody's guess, but there are some things that we can count on and some things we can imagine. Having a grasp of what's to come will help set you up to accept it, to profit by it, and maybe even help invent it. We're entering a time of no-code systems. Software will become easier to create because AI will help interpret desired functions into functioning systems. Essentially, the student will become the teacher. Pre-trained models for common functions like optimizing a class and work shift schedule, or finding the best study group companions, or suggesting the next best course to take to meet degree requirements could become off-the-shelf commodities. Researchers at MIT have created a system that is able to derive several laws of physics. Using that model of the way the world works, they'll be able to create more simulations that can train new models, allowing millions of tests per minute. Rapid testing revolutionizes the power of AI and its ability to tackle real-world problems. Scientists will be able to train a simulator and transfer the results of those simulations to the real world with little additional training. Eventually, we will build algorithms that can monitor their own competence. They will be able to predict when they're going to make a mistake. Teaching systems will be able to monitor each child's progress, even detecting frustration or boredom, suggesting a shift in teaching styles. Cars will drive themselves, of course, but before that, they can already scan for threats, predict accidents, and apply the brakes or tighten your seatbelts to protect you. You may have seen the Google Duplex demo that sounds enough like a human that it can make a restaurant reservation for you over the phone. AI will get better and better at detecting disease through wearables like your wristwatch, listening to your heart rate and your breathing, watching how you walk. Social services will be able to determine if your grandparent has had or is about to have a stroke or about to take a fall. Anything a robot can do, an AI-equipped robot can do better, and more dexterously. Assembling parts, picking fruit, fixing plumbing will all become robot-assisted. You may have your own AI assistant keep track of your needs and order things that you frequently buy. It might warn you that your dishwasher is going to fail, shop for the best fit for your kitchen and your budget, and ask for your permission to have it installed. We can create systems that will read everything ever written by people about any given subject and be able to answer questions about it. Netflix might sense your mood and ask which of your favorite actors you'd like to see in a customized movie. Filmmakers are already using AI to create dynamic movies that feature you as the actor and as a storyteller. If we can do all that, what do you imagine that we could build?